persiapan Asian Games.
Yes.
Oh iya iya.
Dia
Jadi,
ketua ya.
so ada tahun lalu waktu Pak Jokowi bertemu ke London, kita tanda tangani MOU di bidang olahraga.
Oh iya.
Beberapa MOU lain, tapi salah satunya di bidang olahraga.
Iya.
Untuk kerjasama, jadi Indonesia bisa ambil pengalaman kami dari Olympic Games
Olimpik,
untuk
Olimpik, ya.
memastikan Asian Games berhasil.
Ya.
Tapi waktunya sampai.
Yeah, yeah.
Fan?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm an Arsenal fan.
Okay, very good.
I'm an Arsenal fan. First club you have to support my 20 years back, so.
Ah,
But I'm also an Arsenal fan.
so, but yeah, me too. Actually, I've been to the Emirates Stadium more often than Anfield.
Is it? Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's much bigger. I think.
I live in London,
Yeah. Okay.
so it's closer and